Hello everyone, today I'm doing my night routine. Already 6:30, my night is starting. It's time to make dinner, it's time to shower, it's time to do it all. Okay, so if you don't know, which you don't know because I don't know why you would know. Use HelloFresh, not sponsored, I wish I would. It's taught me how to cook, it's just the best. Like, they send you all the ingredients basically. If you don't know what HelloFresh is, basically just send you like this, the recipe, the instructions, and then all the ingredients. So tonight I'm gonna make a 1-pot spicy vegan curry stir fry. This sounds so good. Comes in like a bag like this, and then it has all the ingredients in it. Bell peppers, coconut, milk, shrooms. There's a lot in here. Of course, since I'm cooking, the hair has to go up because I'm not gonna be dirty, okay? So the noodles are ramen noodles, but hold on. This much, which, you know, to some this may be a lot, but to me, this is not a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna add some thin spaghetti. I feel like it's not the same thing at all. I don't think. I'm gonna add more so then we can have more and have leftovers, and yeah. First I'm gonna cut up all the vegetables and whatever I need to cut up, and then I'm gonna, I need to cook the noodles too, so I'm gonna do that first. Basically throw it all together because it's a 1-pot meal, so you just throw everything in. I think I'm gonna put the mushrooms in because I don't really like mushrooms, but I'm gonna cut up the bell pepper, cilantro, lime. I'm gonna cut up the garlic because I'm just gonna use the garlic that I have. I finished cooking the noodles. I drained them, and then I put cold water over it so like it stopped cooking fully. And now I'm gonna cook the veggies. I ended up cutting up the mushrooms because I was like, you know what? My boyfriend loves mushrooms and I don't hate them, I just don't love them. So I've been trying to drink more water because I'm not doing well drinking water. I'm just not good at it. I'm a tip for all you guys if you have trouble drinking water like me. For some reason, I don't know, I feel like it shouldn't be that hard to like drink. Anyways, I've been cutting up lemon and putting it in my water. Game changer. It helps everything. And it makes me want to drink water. So, to finish cooking. I'll be back. For some reason, this is my least favorite part, putting the veggies in the, like, transferring it from the cutting board into, yeah. And then I'm gonna add some garlic in it. I'm gonna add into the veggies, bell pepper and mushroom. I'm gonna add like a Thai chili sauce, and then I'm gonna add the curry and coconut milk. I finished cooking. I showed you guys my boyfriend's bowl. I put extra cilantro on his. You know, I don't know if you guys understand. I saw a TikTok about it. It's like when I cook, like when a girlfriend, I'm not gonna explain this well. Basically, when I cook, I don't know, I just want to make his plate look more aesthetically pleasing and cuter. It's just a thing. I don't know. With his, I'll like make it cute and then like take a picture of his, not my. I don't know. I'm gonna try it. This is what it looks like. Delicious. So good. Pretty good, but I will say, I wish it had more curry, but it only came with like the little curry powder that was in the HelloFresh. I gotta have curry at my house, so it's good though. Gonna watch YouTube and eat and hang out. Goodbye. So I finished eating, it was so good. I ate the whole thing and I added sriracha too. That made it 100 times better. I think it needed the sriracha for sure. Good. I started editing this video because I really want to get this video up soon. Now I'm gonna go shower and do some skincare routine. All that. So I finished my shower. I just rinsed off. I didn't like wash my hair because I'm gonna go to the pool tomorrow. When I got out, I did my lotion routine. I'll show you what that is. First I used this all over my body. It's Baby Dove, one that I could find that was for sensitive skin and fragrance free. So I used this, and then on top of that, on my like arms and my chest, I use, it has hair on it. I use Vanilla Romance from Bath & Body Works. This stuff smells so good. I'm gonna do my skincare. It's very, very simple. Basically, I just wash my face with this best face wash. It also like exfoliates your skin, which I really like. Then I use this serum. If you guys watch my skincare routine, then it's basically everything in that routine, but I don't use the moisturizer at the end. I use vitamin E oil. So I just use these 3 products. I also put my PJs on. I'm wearing this PJ set, this black short sleeve with just matching pants. But I'm gonna do my skincare and brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna go make some tea. I've been trying to drink tea at night. It makes ginger and sleepy time tea, and it honestly does make me sleepy. It works, and it feels like I'm detoxing my body in a way. I don't know, it just feels good at night. After my tea, I'm gonna get into bed, spray my lavender mist, and go to bed. Okay, I'm just gonna make my tea, watch some TV with my boyfriend, and then, yeah, that's basically it.